Good morning, guys. It's so dark. It's dark. You see HD? I can't see myself. Good morning, guys. Cody. Ashley. Oh, there you go. Good morning. We slept really good here in New Mexico. But we have to go. We're gonna step in El Paso. We have to walk Cody and Vinny first, and then we're gonna get the coffee. So ready? Put the bed away. See? We're gonna feed the dogs now so that we can drive to El Paso. Where? Oh yeah, I could see the German. It's not a German Shepherd.
Oh yeah, there's
It's
two.
a pug.
Yeah, and I saw the small one right now. He has a big one.
See? That is the famous Roadrunner here in El Paso. Oh no, Las Cruces. I'm gonna take Bailey there here. Good shot. Come on, play. I'm letting Wesley be. It's kind of cold. It's 50. It's 50 degrees outside. Hey, there's the road runner, and this is the view of Las Cruces. Cute, right? So that's the plan. I wanted to work out. I don't know if we're going to make it to Haiti to meet our friends today because of the traffic, but we'll see. We will try our best. Bubba, can you hand me over to water there on the side? Do you have water still there? Got mad at Wesley. She just wants to give you love, Cody. Don't be like that to your brother.
Jimmy. Is there any indication of where his phone was recovered?
We're gonna make a copy of
We
first.
don't know. That's part of the ongoing investigation that the authorities are managing.
How meaningful is it that Jimmy would go?
Guys, we're now about to cross Texas. So here's the Texas. And once we see Bucky's, it's gonna be officially Texas. We are entering Texas now. Is this Texas now, love? Oh yeah, exit zero. See, if you see exit zero here in the US, it's another state. Because every state starts with zero.
Depending on which direction you're.
So the zero starts where? What direction? You know I don't like direction.
So if you're headed east,
Here's Texas. This is the Lone Star. See that, guys? We're now in the Republican state of Texas. Ah, it's very narrow. We can make it, Bobs. We can make it. And there's your first rest area of Texas. So we already messaged our friends that we're not be able to meet them today because we're not gonna see. Welcome to Texas. We're not gonna be able to make it to Katy today because it's at 10 hours, almost 10 hours and 30 minutes drive. That's without stopping, but we still have to work out, of course, walk the dogs, feed them. We have to eat. So yeah, we'll try again on our way home. They're gonna be in LA tomorrow, so that's why we're not be able to meet them tomorrow. This is the only day that we can, but we'll not be able to make it. Guys, you wanna see Mexico from Texas? So right around that hills, that's Mexico. Rio Grande run along that area. I don't know if you could see, but there. I think. Can you?
yeah, mix.
Uh,
I can tell by that.
yeah, that town there is Ciudad Juarez, Mexico. It's always on the movie. Those houses are already Mexico. Reminds me of the Philippines so much. There you go, guys. See, that is Mexico.
For sure.
And there is a Rio Grande and then the border wall there as well. If you guys could see there, that's the border wall. That's Mexico.
They never made the fence as tall as a thunder.
Hmm.
They're gonna build a big wall.
Don't have to. Guys, so we stop to let the dogs pee and poop. So we're gonna let them do their business. Here's in Texas. This is like the first. This is just a picnic area. Picnic area. Go poop up now, Coco. See the view. Mountains. I think Coco's is hot, but he needs to poop because he haven't pooped. Oh no, he did poop this morning, but he ate a lot too. That's why we have to let him poop again. Wesley's the one who didn't poop. He needs to poop.
Describes it. But today, obviously, someone did
Hi
shoot at an
guys.
F-35.
We already parked
Well, I mean, we should
today
have learned by now that you can
in a rest
obliterate a Navy, you
area
can obliterate an Air
here
Force,
in
and the essence
Texas,
of
Fort
asymmetric warfare
Stockton.
is that you don't
Steven
actually
is
need
ready
those
for
tools to
bed.
cause significant
We're
damage.
gonna go to bed
Now, we could
early
have
so
learned
that
that
we
from the
could start our
Vietnam
day
during the
tomorrow.
Vietnamese War.
I
We could
made
have
this
learned
one
that from
for
Afghanistan.
my
The
dinner.
Taliban obviously
We
didn't
already
have an
ate
Air
some
Force or
dinner too. We
a
got
Navy, and that
some
they did
sampler
enormous damage.
from
And
where?
the truth is
Dickie's
we have done
Barbecue,
incredible
and it has
damage to
pork,
Iranian armed forces, to their
ribs,
capabilities.
chicken,
But as long as
beans, and
they still
coleslaw.
have
So it's really good.
missiles and
So we're
drones, and they have
full. We're
a
ready for
ton of
bed. We're just
drones,
watching
then
news
they
here.
can cause
The dogs
enormous
are
damage both to
being
military
fed right
assets and
now. So
to
we'll see you guys
gas and oil
tomorrow. Good
infrastructure
night.
and to the region, to